It says the president is supposed to fill the seat, right? And that's what we're going to do. We're going to fill the seat.
President Donald Trump wants the Senate to move quickly to take up his nominee to the Supreme Court seat vacated by the death of Ruth Bader Ginsburg. He says he wants a vote on the Senate floor before the election.
President Trump's nominee for this vacancy will receive a vote on the floor of the Senate.
Democrats and their supporters, meanwhile, will keep pressuring Republicans to delay. Until at least after we know whether President Trump is reelected or voters choose former Vice President Joe Biden, and whether or not Republicans will still control the Senate in 2021. The reality is that Democrats have really limited options outside of a public pressure campaign to try to thwart consideration of the Supreme Court nominee. Democrats could try to effectively shut down routine Senate business by objecting to unanimous consent requests that govern the scheduling of routine Senate votes.
Is there objection?
Reserving the right to object.
They could act to keep committees from meeting beyond the first 2 hours of the Senate's day, but ultimately, since there's no longer a requirement for 60 votes to break filibusters of nominations to the Supreme Court, there's not much the Democrats have available to them. So, if Republicans go full speed ahead, how might this play out? Well, having a nominee who has already been confirmed by the Senate to a lifetime appointment to a federal appeals court.
Nomination, the Judiciary, Barbara Lagoa of Florida to be United States Circuit Judge for the 11th Circuit.
Will move the process along somewhat, as there will already be answers to routine questions from the Senate Judiciary Committee, and some of the initial background research might already be done. Still, Judiciary Chairman Lindsey Graham and his staff will probably need at least a week or two to prepare for hearings. The hearings would likely take a week, and even under the most optimistic timeline, there would likely be a delay of a week getting the Trump nominee through to a markup. There is time for a vote before Election Day, but it's hard to envision without everything lining up in Trump's favor. Plus, vulnerable incumbent Republican senators may not want to be spending quite so much time on Capitol Hill, with voters already voting in many states.